So, a power of negative 1. تعال نجيب كده a power of negative 1. نجيب الأول determinant of a هي 2 times negative 1 minus 3 times 4. يعني negative 2 minus 12 equals negative 14. A power of negative 1 equals 1 over determinant of a times negative 1 and 2, يعني change the main diagonal and the signs of the other diagonal. Negative 1 and 2. Okay. Then a negative 3 and negative 4. Okay, it will be negative 1 over 14. يعني 1 over 14 and 3 over 14 and 4 over 14 and 2 over 14. يعني you can write it as this form or another form. What about determinant of B? Determinant of B.
5 times 4 minus 2
times 4
minus 0 sorry.
يعني 20. يعني B power of negative 1 which is the inverse of B equals 1 over 20 times 4 and 5 2
ونيجاتيف 2 and 0
يعني 4 over 20 2 over 20 0 5 over 20. We need to subtract the inverses. It will be 1 over 14 3 over 14 4 over 14 2 over 14, or you can simplify them, minus 3 power negative 1 4 over 20 2 over 20 0 and 5 over 2. Okay يا شباب.
تمام يا مستر.
And define the subtraction.
شكرا يا مستر.
We need to find the determinant of A if A is 3 by 3. يعني 5 minus 3 7 2 0 4 1 negative 1 3. Find the determinant of A. Determinant of A. هنقول له determinant of A equals. ركز بقى كده. Positive negative positive. يبقى 5 times. Cancel the row and the column includes 5. Cancel the row and the column includes 5. يعني 0 times 3 is 0 minus 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Again 5 and cancel its row and its column. 0 times 3 equals 0. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Okay, the second one, this is the second, write minus and write this number which is 3 and cancel its row and its column. Cancel its row again يا حجاج and its column. The 2 times 3 minus 4 times 1. And then plus 7 times cancel its row and its column. 2 times negative 1 negative 2 minus 0 is negative 2. Will be 5 times 4 20. 3 times 2 is 6 minus 14 will be 12. It's okay, I'll give you another one. If B equals negative 1 7 3 6 4 0 negative 2 1 1. Find the determinant of B. determinant of B. كله مركز معايا؟ كله مركز؟
ايوه
أيوة يا مستر.
determinant of B equals تعالوا نشوف -1 and cancel its row and its column will be 4 times 4 1 4 minus 0 or 4 times 1 minus 0 times 1 minus and positive negative positive 7 times -1 oh, cancel the row and the column of 7 يبقى -1 كم قلنا 6 times 1 6 6 times 1 6 and here 1 نرجع الأولى ثاني its row and its column 6 times 1 6 minus 0 plus 3 cancel its row and its column 6 times 1 6
minus 8
plus 8 again -1 يبقى 4 minus 0 7 6 minus 0 3 6 plus 8 okay -4 minus 7 times 6 42 plus 14 times 3 هذه 3 times 14 يعني okay 42 دي راحت مع دي equals -4 again I need to revise the first one 5 0 times 3 0 minus 0 minus 2 3 2 times 3 6 minus 7 2 times 8 1 must be it's okay so this is the determinant of each هنكمل سؤال في دي
تمام شكرا يا مستر.
معلش ينفع حضرتك تعيدها لو ما فهمتهاش معلش.
هنا وهدي اكزامبل كمان نشوف we need to find the determinant of B -1 use the first row in the determinant the first element in the first row is -1 and cancel the first row and the first column so you have this part 4 times 1 minus 0 times 1 which is 4 okay and the second one is minus the second element in the first row 7 and cancel the first the row includes 7 and the column includes 7 the 6 times 1 6 minus 0 times -2 7 times 6 okay and take the third element in the first row which is 3 and cancel its row and its column you'll find this part then find the determinant of this part 6 times 1 is 6 minus 4 times the -2 is positive 8 and add the result. Okay, I'll give you another example to solve. Matrix A equals 5 0 -1 2 3 1 6 -2 -4. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes to solve it.